The block of code you want to try starts with specifying the try command and surrounding the block with curly braces. Within this block, you can throw any occurring errors with the throw command. You must specify an error, and this should be a class. Immediately after try block is closed, the catch block starts. Here the error handling code is placed. In this example, exception is defined class with a constructor with no parameters. This is another example of an exception handling system coded in C. With these examples, you can get an idea how the exceptions are handled in programming language C++. The next programming language that we are going to take into our consideration is Visual Basic. Visual Basic is a visual language which supports both structured exception handling and unstructured exception handling. It uses enhanced version of the try, catch, finally syntax already supported in the other language such as C++. Structured exception handling combines a modern control structure which is similar to select, case or while with exceptions, protected blocks of code and filters. Structured exception handling is the recommended method of error handling in Visual Basic, which makes it easy to create, maintain programs with robust, comprehensive error handlers. Other than the structured exception handling, as mentioned above, Visual Basic also supports unstructured exception handling. C#. Exception handling is an inbuilt mechanism in .NET framework to detect and handle runtime errors where the C# coding is done. C# also provides the three main keywords try, catch and finally to do exception handling. The try encloses the statements that might throw an exception, whereas catch handles an exception if one exists. Another noticeable feature in C# programming is it uses multiple catch blocks, where a try block can throw multiple exceptions which can handle by using multiple catch blocks. Java. Java is the best language yet which supports error handling in most efficient way. One specialty in Java is that It contains predefined exception classes. The two main ways of handling exceptions in Java are basic try catch finally method and exception hierarchy. Other than that, Java is capable of handling check versus uncheck exception as well. Java is one of the few languages to support both checked and unchecked exceptions. Using Java, there are a lot more advanced exception handling can be done. The two text exception handling templates and exception enrichment discuss two somewhat more advanced exception handling techniques used in Java. This is an example where the exception handling is done in a Java code. This will give you an idea how the exception classes are used within a Java code. Advantages of exceptions to manage errors over traditional error management techniques. This is the last topic that we are hoping to discuss in this video. What are the advantages in using exception techniques within programming languages? Basically, it offers a chance of catching errors and actually correcting it rather than crashing the program. Except that exception handling also benefits a programming language in many other ways. It separates codes that handle exceptions from the main logic of the program, removes excess code that can block a program through error handling. Compiler will remind the programmer about particular types of exceptions that must be dealt with, for example, I/O exceptions. Control of the program is swapped from the location where the exception occurred to the location where the exception can be handled. Each error has an object that represents it, and therefore code can be written to deal with specific types of errors. Exception can be caught or declared. Grouping errors, types and error differentiation allows to create similar hierarchical structure for exception handling, so groups them in logical way. Propagating error up the call stack lets a corrective action to be taken at a higher level. Thus, by using exception handling, we can avoid unwanted results in our programs. We can make the programs efficient and ensure its accuracy. This is the end of the video session of the content that we intend to offer you. We hope this presented our objectives clearly to you. Thank you.